What if your muscles could react before you even decided to move? A world where thought and action are one. No lag, no hesitation. It sounds impossible until now. Brain chips, once the dream of science fiction, are giving humans the power to command their muscles in real time. Welcome to the future of movement, where the line between mind and machine disappears. For centuries, humans have trained their bodies to respond faster, stronger, better. But no matter how far we've come, there's always been a limit, the tiny delay between thought and motion. Now that limit is fading. Thanks to brain-computer interfaces, often called brain chips, scientists can connect neurons directly to machines, bridging the gap between mind and muscle. What started as a medical miracle for paralysis patients has evolved into something much bigger, a potential revolution for performance, rehabilitation, and even human evolution itself. The impossible made real, how brain chips command our muscles. For decades, the idea of controlling muscles with the mind alone sounded like fantasy, but brain chips are turning that dream into a living, breathing reality. Imagine tiny sensors implanted in the motor cortex, the region of your brain that sends movement commands. These sensors capture the electrical patterns that occur when you intend to move. Instead of waiting for your body to respond, the chip transmits those signals directly to your muscles or an external device. For patients with spinal injuries, this means movement restored. For healthy individuals, it means instant neural precision. The impossible, walking without nerves, gripping without muscle feedback, is becoming possible. The mind no longer just tells the body what to do. It becomes the body, inside the neural nexus, how brain chips work. So how does this mind-machine miracle actually function? A brain chip contains thousands of microelectrodes, hair-thin sensors that record the firing of neurons. Each neuron produces an electrical pulse when you think about a movement. The chip captures those pulses, translates them into digital signals, and sends them to computers or directly to your muscles. Over time, AI learns your unique neural patterns. It begins predicting your intentions, recognizing the difference between wanting to flex and actually flexing. This is the neural nexus, a direct, intelligent dialogue between brain and machine, powered by real-time data and adaptive learning. From thought to movement, current breakthroughs. Today's breakthroughs are already rewriting medical textbooks. In 2024, scientists at Stanford helped a paralyzed man type sentences using only his thoughts through a neural implant. Neuralink's first human trials showed patients using brain chips to move a cursor and soon robotic limbs just by imagining motion. Rehabilitation centers are experimenting with brain-machine muscle systems that let stroke patients regain lost movement faster than ever before. Each year, latency, the delay between thought and action, gets smaller. The dream of instant mind-to-muscle control is no longer distant. It's happening now, one neuron at a time. Beyond recovery, the future of real-time control. But what happens when this technology moves beyond medicine into performance, fitness, and daily life? Imagine training with a chip that analyzes your neural effort in real time, optimizing your workout form before you even feel fatigue, or controlling a robotic exosuit that multiplies your strength without breaking a sweat. Real-time neural control could redefine what it means to be fit. Instead of training the body to follow the brain, we'll train the brain to upgrade the body. And perhaps someday we'll see athletes, soldiers, and even everyday workers using neural enhancement systems to achieve levels of precision once thought impossible. Ethical labyrinth and societal shifts. But with power comes complexity. If a chip can control your muscles, who controls the chip? Could your thoughts be recorded, monitored, or even manipulated? And in sports, will athletes with neural implants compete against those without? Where do we draw the line between enhancement and engineering? As society enters this new frontier, we must balance innovation with ethics, freedom with responsibility. Because once the human brain merges with machines, our definition of self may never be the same again. Brain chips for real-time muscle control are more than a technological milestone. They're a glimpse into a world where the mind is the ultimate machine. We stand at the edge of a revolution, where thought becomes action, data becomes movement, and humanity takes its first steps toward true neural mastery. But even as machines merge with our biology, one truth remains. No chip can replace determination, discipline, or the human spirit, because the strongest signal in the world isn't electrical. It's willpower. So keep pushing, keep training, and never stop evolving, because the future of fitness starts inside your mind. If this vision inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us as we explore the future of human performance, one neuron at a time. Thanks for watching the AI fitness revolution. We're standing at the edge of a new era, where human strength meets machine intelligence. Subscribe for more.